So there you have it, an example on how to combine Plutus with staking. Of course, it was a somewhat silly example, probably not very useful in practice, but I hope that it demonstrated what possibilities you have. Seeing as this is the last lecture of the course, I don't really want to give you any homework, but of course, you are more than welcome to try out the scripts and the private testnet on your own and to play with it. And of course, you could also try to, instead of doing on a private testnet, doing it on the public testnet if you have enough patience to wait several days for the rewards to accumulate. I want to thank all of you for attending the course and staying until the last lecture. And I hope you enjoyed it and learned a lot and will keep using Plutus and coming up with all sorts of interesting projects to enrich the Cardano ecosystem. Thank you very much for your attention.